Most of us see the sun as a reliable yellow circle in the sky, but that image is a biological illusion. From the vacuum of space, the sun is actually blindingly white. It only appears yellow because our atmosphere scatters shorter blue and violet light away before it reaches our eyes. To grasp its true importance, we have to look at the numbers. The sun holds 99.86% of all the mass in our solar system. If you hollowed it out, you could fit roughly 1.3 million Earths inside. It is so massive that its gravity holds everything from the smallest asteroid to the giant planet Neptune in a permanent embrace. Yet, despite this power, it is a remarkably stable engine. It has been burning for 4.6 billion years, and has enough fuel to continue for another 5 billion more. Wondering what powers this stability? In its core, the temperature reaches a staggering 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. At these extremes, the sun isn't just burning, it is performing nuclear fusion. Every single second, the sun converts about 700 million tons of hydrogen into 695 million tons of helium. You might notice 5 million tons are missing from that math. That lost mass is converted directly into pure energy, the light and heat that make life possible on Earth. Interestingly, the light we see today actually began its journey in that core hundreds of thousands of years ago, bouncing around inside the sun's dense interior, before finally escaping into space. In late 2025, we witnessed a historic peak in solar activity, being at the height of solar cycle 25, an 11-year cycle where the sun's magnetic poles actually flip. This has led to the incredible auroras seen worldwide throughout 2024 and 2025. Auroras, northern and southern lights, are atmospheric light displays caused by charged particles from solar wind and flares interacting with Earth's magnetic field. These particles funnel to the poles, colliding with gases like oxygen and nitrogen, producing vibrant green, red, and purple colors in the sky. It also led to record-breaking solar flares, one of which, in November 2025, triggered a severe geomagnetic storm that disrupted radio communications across 3 continents. Solar flares are powerful, sudden bursts of intense radiation and energy from the sun's surface, occurring when tangled magnetic fields near sunspots snap and release stored energy, heating plasma to millions of degrees and emitting radiation and particles that travel at light speed, potentially disrupting Earth's radio communications and power grids. 2025 is also the year we finally touched the sun. NASA's Parker Solar Probe has just completed its closest ever approach, flying within 3.8 million miles of the surface, closer than any human-made object in history. Moving at a record-breaking 430,000 miles per hour, the probe survived 2,500-degree heat to send back data on magnetic switchbacks, violent reversals in the sun's magnetic field that help explain why its outer atmosphere is actually hotter than its surface. Ultimately, the sun is more than just a star, it is the reason we are here. It drives our weather, grows our food, and even provides us with essential vitamin D. It takes only 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to travel the 93 million miles to Earth, meaning we are always seeing the sun as it was 8 minutes ago.